Ajrak is a sheet used as a covering in all weathers, but to merely relate it to that is a gross underestimation of its inherent worth. An Ajrak holds within its folds the ancient culture of Sindh, our history, which encompasses over 5,000 years, is held in trust by this sheet. Indeed, Ajrak is a part of every household in Sindh. At every event, all occasions, and in our daily lives, the people of Sindh and the Ajrak are deeply entwined. This one piece of cloth takes on so many shades. When a man dons the Ajrak, it symbolizes his honor, his dignity, his strength. And when a woman wears it, it speaks of her beauty, virtue, and above all, her respect. The process of making an Ajrak is both time-consuming and dedication. A special kind of cloth is first prepared, then dyed using dyes obtained solely for Ajrak making. After this, using the block print technique, the cloth is adorned with particular designs. Although one finds Ajrak craftsmen across Sindh, the craftsmen of Hala stand high on pedestal of Ajrak making. Hala, a city which holds special significance as the center of Sindhi culture and heritage, is considered the hub of Ajrak making in Sindh. The artisans of Hala work with complete dedication and sincerity as they transfer their talent to cloth and present to the world the symbol of our tradition and culture, the Ajrak. People across Sindh, be they poets, artisans, teachers, from any other walk of life, consider the Ajrak a symbol of their heritage, their dignity, and their very identity. Sindh, the land of the Sufis, is particularly blessed by the Almighty. Our grains, our fruits, our cloth, everything has been bestowed with unique beauty. But among all our gems, the one most precious gift that we can present is the Ajrak, a gift which shows the respect and regard of those to give it and is the source of immense gratification and pride for those who receive it.